This little piece of chalk will solve a problem you didn't even know you had. But that's not even the best part. White chalk isn't just for teachers anymore. I'm about to show you a handful of tricks that'll make you wonder how you've lived this long without them. Let's start with something everyone deals with: oil stains on clothes. If you get grease on your favorite shirt, just grab white chalk and rub it directly on the stain. The chalk works like a sponge, pulling the grease right out. After a few minutes, brush it off and wash like normal. The stain disappears because chalk literally lifts the oil out of the fabric. And here's where things get weird. If your closet ever gets that musty smell, chalk can fix that too. Mold loves moisture, but chalk absolutely hates it. Wrap a couple of pieces in a paper towel and toss them in the drawers or corners of the closet. They suck up the humidity before mold ever has a chance. Keep watching, because this next one hits something you use every single day. When your silver starts turning dark, that's moisture again. Keeping chalk near your jewelry or silverware absorbs the humidity that causes tarnish, so everything stays bright and shiny without you constantly polishing it. And if you've got a sticky lock driving you insane, don't reach for WD-40 just yet. Rub some chalk on both sides of your key, slide it in and out a few times, and you're done. The powder works like a dry lubricant and cleaner, so the lock glides like new because you just cleared out all the gunk. This next one surprised even me. If rust has already started creeping into your toolbox, it's the same story: moisture. Toss a few pieces of chalk in there and let them absorb the humidity. It's basically a $1 insurance policy for your tools. And remember that chalk line from the beginning? Here's why it works. Insects, especially ants and cockroaches, won't cross chalk lines. The calcium carbonate interrupts their scent trails and irritates their exoskeletons, so they turn around instantly. Draw lines at doorways, around pet bowls, near outlets, anywhere they sneak in. No sprays, no traps, just chalk. One simple item. A whole lot of problems solved. Which hack are you trying first? Tell me in the comments.